In this episode, we visit a Vinci building integrated healthcare project for Shrewsbury and Telford NHS Trust. We're about to hear the thoughts of Simon Baisley, Senior QS for the construction project, who's going to give us his insights into what it's like working with Entertainer and how it was procured.
We were having a delivery strategy meeting and involving some of our key supply chain partners, and our RC contractor partner mentioned the use of an Entertainer, which was new to myself, and I thought I'd investigate what this Entertainer was. Carried on a bit of research, and being a number cruncher, obviously involved or was interested in the commercial aspects, particularly the fuel savings, but also being in the centre of a hospital site, it was important that other aspects such as noise and pollution and obviously the environmental impact were equally as important. The Entertainer clearly gave us the financial savings on the fuel savings, but also gave us the benefits of noise and being able to manage less fuel deliveries. I visited a site up in Manchester, could clearly see one in action. The figures were indicating that it could work on our site. We've got 2 tower cranes that we needed to be powering. It also had the facility to run other bits and pieces like hoarding lighting or turnstiles or wheel washes or other pumps. So yeah, it was a very attractive proposition. Did some number crunchings and put the recommendation forward to the project team. We've taken it on board. It has been a very reliable piece of kit. In the early days, whilst we were trying to get the site sequenced and prepared, we obviously had to get ducts across the site. We had to just run it off a temporary generator, but that was a small generator which provided the trickle charge. You could use the EnerNet application to monitor the piece of kit. It would send out push notifications to identify what the state of charge was and the output. It was nice to watch over Christmas, the aviation lights being fully powered up. So yeah, all in all, very good piece of kit. Yeah, clean, reliable, cost effective. Yeah, something I would certainly be looking forward to sharing with the rest of the wider business and pushing on.
Thank you, Simon, for your insights into what it's like working with the Entertainer. Now let's move on to some CO2 figures. 1. Entertainer M is removing the equivalent of 460 kVA of generator requirement. This has then prevented 276 tonnes of CO2 over the 88-week hire period. Now again, we convert them into commutes, it's 120,044 commutes into Shrewsbury. That wraps up another episode of Ampd on the Road. It's a great news story for Vinci Building and Shrewsbury and Telford NHS Trust. If you have a project in the UK where the Ampd Entertainer could benefit your site, please get in touch with Wolf on site. Alternatively, outside the UK, please visit our website at ampd.energy.